Alright, I just want to show y'all something. You can actually use your phone to do YouTube. You don't necessarily need a computer. You get on here, pull up Google, get on YouTube Home, go to your channel icon, and click on Creator Studio. What this is going to do is going to open up the Creator Studio in a desktop form, so that now you can access it as if you're on a computer. Edit keywords, get deep into your content, you know, even set up your live stream. What's real interesting about this, you can find inspiration for better content. So you can literally go into here and you can search for, you know, different topics that your niche is in, and you can find out other related videos and how you can make your content much more surrounding those topics. So pay attention here. It's going to show you exactly what I mean by that. But yeah, you can cycle all through the Creator Studio app and figure out all of your analytics for your channel. Okay, as you see here, this is what I'm talking about. You can see different videos for different topics in the niche, from all the way to shorts. Please subscribe, like this content. Thank you. What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hit that like button. You know it's 40 million injuries. Come on, subscribe. This technology will save possibly your friends, your loved ones, or even yourself. Let's go.
Watch your face.